Oh, here's the guy that was looking for his father. You took his life and you killed Mom. You didn't pay your debts and now this is what you get. Tatsuo, but why? Hold it. It's you, Kazuma Kiryu. I know you've been through a lot, but that's no reason to kill your own father, huh? And you know it. Huh? You've done enough. Your mother would never have wanted this. Shut up! Just shut up! What the hell do you know about it anyway? What? My father told me everything. If you hadn't shown up at his office... I'm out. Bye. Yeah, I get it now. It all started with you. You're the one who destroyed my family. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Let's fight this Kamurochi man. I'm sorry, Tatsuo. Ah! He stabbed me. Oh, that's it. You learned your lesson? Oh, please stop it. Leave my son alone. I didn't want to kill him, I just wanted to teach him a lesson. Tatsuo, if it'll really stop your pain, you can kill me. Just leave him out of it. I'm the one who abandoned you all. Kiryu-san, you don't have to go for that far. Please have mercy on him. Dad! Please, Tatsuo, listen. All the debt was too much for me to take. I felt like all I could do was wrong. I knew my business. I knew what would happen to my family if I left them with my debts. Of course I knew. I don't know what I was thinking. I never thought about how all my strong-arm tactics would come back to haunt me. And now, after a decade of being on the run, I'm just a broken, homeless, sad old man. All I wanted was to see you one more time, before I'm finally gone. Dad! I needed to see you. I needed you to know how sorry I am. I know I can't ask you to forgive me. I just needed to apologize to you. Dad! From the very beginning, I thought I had to kill you. I thought what you had done was unforgivable, but still Tatsuo. I wanted to see you one more time too. Tatsuo, I'm so sorry. A humble family torn apart by a legendary yakuza. Now that's the story. And I got the shots to sell it. Sorry, but this is just too good to pass up. Write it up, put it in a magazine, whatever. I don't care. Really now? I won't run, and I won't hide. If I really did ruin this family, go ahead and tell the world. Hirada and his son are making peace. That's enough for me. See ya. Okay, fantastic. And we do have enough points to upgrade this. I could upgrade a lot of other things too. But I'm just gonna do this. Oh wait, I can choose. I don't know. I didn't. Maybe someone like me shouldn't. Oh. Huh? Wow. What a coincidence seeing you here. Huh? You talking to me? You talking to me? Of course. Don't you remember me? She knows me somehow. Where did I meet her? Love and Heart? Not in Shine, not in Jewel. I don't know. I remember you. You're Ayaka from the Love and Heart massage parlor. That's right. Oh, I'm so glad you remember who I am. Though I don't believe I got your name. Right, I guess I didn't give it to you. It's Kiryu.
Kiryu-san.
What a cute name. You're all by yourself today. Yeah. Would you mind if I sat with you for a bit? Go right ahead. Okay, cheers. Cheers. Say, this is the first time we get to properly chat. Heart? That's right, before you were busy being my masseuse. Actually, the name of my profession is massage therapist. How's that different from masseuse? While both professions give massages, my job at the shop is to use both massage and aromatherapy to soothe my clients' stress and worries. I had to study pretty hard to get licensed for my job. Sounds pretty tough. From how down you looked earlier, you could probably use some of that therapy yourself, huh? Huh? How'd you know? Oh, I must have been talking to myself again. You heard that, huh? Yeah. God, I'm so embarrassed. When I get lost in thoughts, sometimes I start mumbling all the things I'm thinking about. Huh. Oh, don't laugh at me. I know I might seem like the serious type, but I was really thinking hard about this. Sorry. Hard? You know, I got this feeling the first time we met, but you're surprisingly easy to talk to, Kiryu-san. You think so? You're so mature too. I've always wanted to sit down and chat with you. I don't have a lot of mature, cool-headed guys like you in my life. Can I get your advice on something that's bothering me? You want my advice? Or do you have to leave soon? She did look pretty bothered. What should I do? I'll hear you out. What do you think, Kiryu? Jeez. Okay. Hard? I knew you were a nice guy, Kiryu-san. You think so? Well, whatever. Well, so there's this guy I'm really into. Problems with your love life then? Go on. Yeah, I like him a lot, but I get this feeling that it's just not going to work out. Is that so? Well then... What do you like about him? Everything, Heart. Hey, don't just clam up. Say something. Sorry. What was the thing that made you decide he's the one? The one thing that made me decide... Probably when I thought about how strong he was. He was so confident and sure of himself. I knew he'd protect me no matter what happens. Okay. Well, then. What's he like? He's one of my clients. To be honest, when I first met him, I thought it was pretty scary. But after talking to him, I realized he was so kind and mature and relaxed. Sounds like a nice guy. Yeah, he's such a sweet guy. Is she talking about me? Do you think she's talking about me? Glad to hear it. Just be careful. A lot of those sweet guys can turn out to be playboys in disguise. Oh, it did seem like he was used to being around women, so maybe there's some truth to your words. It's a possibility. But no, I'm sure he's not that kind of guy. Why is that? Sometimes he gives me this honest, straightforward look. It makes me believe that he's not the kind of guy who would purposefully hurt anyone. Man, she's really into him. Well then, what kind of work does he do? That, I don't know. You never asked? No, I thought maybe I shouldn't. Why is that? Think he's involved in something shady like the yakuza? I mean, maybe, from what I saw on his back. He's got to have a serious past. There's something on his back? A tattoo, maybe? I think he's got some demons he's struggling with. Not to mention the burdens he's carrying. That's the part about him that makes me swoon, Heart. I see. Oh gosh, my heart's racing just talking about him. I'm starting to feel that drink too. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
Kiryu-san!
Yuya! What the hell? Hey, Kiryu-san! Yuya, what are you doing here? I came by here for drinks now and then. Man, who is that cutie you're with? Are you on a date? I'm jealous. It's not a date, I just happened to run into her here. Oh, come on, don't be coy. I saw you two over there. You were really hitting it off. Were you listening in too? Yeah. Sorry, I know I shouldn't, but when I saw you here with a cute girl, I couldn't help but get curious. Anyway, so I heard what she was saying about the guy she likes. Don't you think she's talking about you, Kiryu-san? No, I don't think so. She's just opening up to me about something she's worried about.
Yeah.
Come on, that can't be it. I see what's going on here. I'm a host after all. See, some girls act like they want to get advice, but really, what they're doing is trying to figure out how the other person feels about them. Is that so?
Oh.
Remember what you said earlier? First impression, scary guy. Honest, straightforward gaze. A back that hints at a serious past. Really strong. That describes you down to the letter, Kiryu-san. Plus, there's the way she looks at you. It's the exact same way a girl might look at her celebrity crush. With the way she's been talking to you, doesn't seem like she's that inexperienced when it comes to romance. There's gotta be a reason why she's not coming out, telling you how she feels. What do you mean? Like some sort of secret she doesn't want you to know. For example, maybe she's a single mother, or helping her parents pay off a debt. She might just be curious about how you'll react to that secret of hers. That's how girls gotta do things sometimes. Oh, she's back. Gotta go. See ya. Okay. So, of course, I thought she was talking about me. But now that Yuya said it too, I'm not so sure anymore. Don't worry about it. Kiryu-san, do you still have time? There's more I wanted to ask you about. Yeah. Thank you. Right now, I'm not sure if I should tell him how I feel. Why's that? I'm afraid of what he might say. Well, you're an attractive woman, Ayaka. Any guy would be thrilled to hear you were interested in them. You really think so? Aw, thanks. But there's something I still haven't told you, Kiryu-san. What's that? Are you pregnant? I was born a man. Wait. So you're transgender? Yeah. Ever since I was a kid, I felt like I was a girl. My whole life I had boy parts. It was really hard for me to live like that. Doctors sometimes call it gender identity disorder. Personally, I don't like the word disorder being used to describe who I am. I see. Is it the same thing as being gay? It's different. Being gay means you're attracted to people of the same sex. Being trans means your gender identity is different than the sex you were assigned at birth. Oh, I get it. You were born as a man on the outside, but on the inside you felt like you were a woman. That's right. I underwent gender reassignment surgery, so now my physical appearance matches the gender I identify as. I'm a woman, through and through. Even so, I'm terrified of telling him. I'm scared that he'll completely lose interest in me. There's no way I can come out and tell him. It's funny. I'm so in love, but so scared of being in love. I'm sorry. I'm sure this is really shocking to hear. It might be difficult to come to terms with it. Honestly, I'd be a bit shocked. Not in a bad way, but just... I don't know. It's unusual. I don't think I've ever met someone like that before. It would be a first. But let's at least reassure her, right? No, not... Or maybe... I should be honest. I don't know. Huh? Love is about accepting one another for who you are. That's true. It's not always easy to find someone who will, however. Everyone has obstacles they gotta deal with. Yours are just a bit bigger than everyone else's, Ayaka. Kiryu-san. I can't tell you how he'll react, but know this. If it doesn't go well, it's not your fault. It just means you weren't compatible, or it just wasn't the right timing for either of you, that's all. Or maybe he's just a narrow-minded prick. Just keep on keeping on, and one day you'll meet someone who's right for you. I sincerely believe that. Thank you. I feel a lot better about this now. No problem. Kiryu-san? What is it? I'm going to tell Kantaro-san how I feel. Ah, see it? I knew it. Wait, who's Kantaro-san? Oh, sorry. It's the name of the guy. Sorry, I guess I forgot to mention that earlier. Damn it. There goes my date. Thank you so much for today. Oh, Right. Can I get your cell phone number? Sure. Here you go. And saved. I'll text you what happens with Kentaro-san. And hey, if you're ever feeling exhausted, swing by the massage parlor anytime. How did it go, Kiryu-san? I didn't get to hear everything she said. Who's this Kentaro-san she mentioned? Well, that's the guy she's crushing on. What? Weren't you just going on about how she was into me or something? Man, my read was totally off. Looks like I've got a ways to go before I'm a real host. There was one other important detail. She's a trans woman who was born as a man. Oh, come on, Kiryu-san. You don't have to make up something like that to cover your ass. It's okay if you got rejected. Dude, don't be rude. Besides, if I didn't pick up on something like that, I'd really be a failure as of a host. Well, you sure are a failure then. You know, though, if someone like her came up to me and said she was interested, I'd definitely consider it. What a nice girl. It's bad for you, though, Kiryu-san. Yeah, it really is too bad. Oh man, look at the time. Gotta get back to work. Hey, hold up. Well, he's off. Oh, look at that. They're dating now. And it seems to be going well. That's nice for her. Well, we've done a whole bunch of stuff. But we haven't done anything related to the main quest. Oh, what the hell is going on here? Are you okay? Are you alright? I'm fine, just leave me alone. Looks like he's having a rough time. Maybe I should lend him a hand. What's up, dudes? Is someone bugging you? Someone bullying you for being an anime fan? Or a manga fan, I guess. I'm fine. What the hell? Why do you have so many copies of Shonen 5? Yeah, well, you on a way to deliver them?
Yeah.
No, I bought all of them. You bought all of them? What for? Gotta hurry! Why? What's up? Gotta get this important meeting at a cafe. Sorry, I gotta go. Maybe you should put them back in a coin locker before you run off. It's fine, I'll get rid of them later.
Domo.
Anyway, thanks for the help. Okay. He said he was going to a cafe. Alrighty, I think it's time. I think it is time to continue the main story. Let's see. We're about to visit Kashiwagi. I don't remember exactly what's going on. I guess we'll find out soon enough. Here we go. Yes. Please take me there. Hello. He's not home. There he is, he's home.
よく来たな、桐生。
Osamu Kashiwagi. Mm-hmm.
柏木さん。あまり時間がない。お前とはいろいろと話しておかなければならないことがある。
Tell me, please.
今日の幹部会のことだ。
Does he have an extra scar?
どういうことや。4代目呼び戻すやと。
Tsuyoshi Kanda. Oh yeah, he's the Nishiki guy. Nishiki family guy.
今6代目が現場を離れたら、登場界の基盤が揺るぎかねん。ここは最悪の事態も想定し、他の組織も承服する人間に登場界を任せるのが先決だ。何
やと？私は賛成です。
He is Yoshitaka Mine.
峰おのれ。神田の兄貴、
ここは桐生4代目に出張ってもらうのが最善の策です。
何やつ？
頭、
What's his plan then?
俺は6代目と直接杯を交わした間柄です。本来なら何があっても大悟さんに戻ってきてもらいたい。ですが、近江連合やその他の組織のこともあります。ここは早急に他の組織が納得できる大工を立て、大悟さんの帰りを待つしかないと思います。
今さら何言うとんじゃ。国道が頭取られて落ち着いとる場合か。株ばっかりやったら頭おかしいとんちゃうか。おおみね。
俺も神田と同じ意見です。極道だったらまずやることは後目のことよりも返しが先でしょう。
Go Hamazaki.
浜崎。
頭、俺が仕入れた情報じゃ会長が見たのは風間のおじきによく似た男
Yeah, they do.
と聞きましたが、
浜崎お前それほんまか。どういうこっちゃ。
He doesn't know?
6代目の側近の話だと、大悟が会長室で撃たれた時、部屋にいたのは風間の親父によく似た男だったらしいが。
Yeah.
まあ一度死んだはずのおじきが生き返るわけもありません。別の人間だとは思いますが。
Probably.
頭、なんかご存知なんじゃないですか。
I guess not.
いや、
No?
俺も全く見当がつかない。
Me neither.
どちらにしても今登場会がすべきことは会長を撃った男を捕まえて誰が戦争を仕掛けたのかを探ることでしょう。4代目桐生さんを戻す、それからでも良いのでは。
いや、それは違う。
Oh.
あん
今は早急に登場会の足場を固めること
I
が
agree
先
with
決
this
で
guy.
す。直径99団体、桐生さんを代行に立てて一枚岩になっていかないと組織は崩壊してしまう。
桐生ってなんやねんお前。そんなに桐生に後目渡したいっちゅうんやったら、いっそのこと俺が桐生の首取ったるわ。
Wow.
神田、お前。
頭、この際やから言うときますわ。
Yeah.
うちら三代目錦山組、桐生の下に入んのはお断りや。初代も先代も桐生にやられたいうこと、うちら錦山組は忘れてへん。
だがその時お前は強姦罪で無所の中だっただろうが。
だがじゃボケが。とにかく桐生の首取る理由、錦山組にはあるんじゃ。こうなったら桐生ぶっ殺してわしが登場界の後目になったる。
Sure.
桐生は登場界の敵じゃ。わしの手で桐生の首取ったら。
それは聞き捨てならない話だな。
Okay.
ああ、
桐生さんとやり合うのは構わない。
But.
だが錦山組に登場会の後目
Okay.
渡すわけにはいかねえってことだ。ねえ、頭。
何を言っているんだ。今後目の話なんかしている場合か。
でも頭は桐生さんを呼ぼうとしている。俺も神田と同じでそれには反対なんですよ。
I figured as much.
このまま桐生さんが代行に座ればそのまま7代目に復帰ということもある。お前もそれは嫌だろう、峰。もう一人の幹部の意見も聞きたいね。真島の
Oh, he's here as well? Okay. Goro Mashiba.
あんたも本部の若頭補佐だ。何か喋ってくださいよ。
アホくさ。
ああ、
俺は別にどうでもええ。あんたらで好きにやってくれや。
どういうことや。
風間のおっさんの亡霊探すもよし、桐生ちゃんとドンパチするのもよし、好きにせえ。
Right.
そうや、一言言うとくわ。喧嘩すんのは結構やが、もしうちの島に入ってきたら、そん時は怪我するだけじゃ済まへんで。
真島。
ほな。桐生ちゃん、えらいことになったで。
Looks like it. So,
そんなことが。
すでにお前がカムロ町に戻ってきたことを知っている組もあるだろう。
uh-huh.
特に神田の動きには気をつけろ。
Mm-hmm.
はい。
おそらくそれぞれの組がそれぞれの行動に出る。
Yeah.
俺は神田の動きを抑え、一刻も早く大悟を撃った男というのを突き止めるつもりだ。
Sure.
その件ですが、
Oh, yeah.
実は
We have some information. We have a drawing. He does.
これは
He also shot our guy back in Okinawa. Last night, the man in this sketch shot the patriarch of the Diodu family in Okinawa, a guy by the name of Nakahara.
何？
And you're sure this is what the attacker looked like? I didn't believe it myself at first, but the girl who watched it all go down threw this afterwards. Which means the sixth chairman and this Nakahara were assaulted by the same man. Pieces are all falling into place. What do you mean? More likely than not, Daigo's involvement in the Okinawa deal is what led to his being attacked. You mean the resort? Yes. As you're well aware, the Chojo aided the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transportation in acquiring the land necessary to build Minister Suzuki's proposed resort. Right, but Daigo told me you guys backed out. That the government was trying to negotiate with locals instead. They were, but it seems someone else has started scoping up the land. There must be another party involved in all this. Speaking of, the man in that sketch didn't just shoot Nakahara, he also stole the deed to his land. What? I'd bet the man showed up asking for the deed, then put a bullet in Nakahara when he refused to hand it over. Then it's safe to assume the assault on the sixth chairman was for the same reason, specifically for the land your orphanage rests on, Kiryu. So Daigo knows who these people are? In all likelihood, yes. The truth of it is, that resort deal could have brought massive cash flow into the Tojo clan. Minister Suzuki was eager to remind us of that fact at any possible moment, but Daigo was firm in his resolve. He refused? Why? I think you know. It was because of your orphanage, Kiryu. Once he learned that you would be evicted and your kids would lose their home, he washed his hands of the whole thing. So he put himself in harm's way to keep us safe. Where is he now? Some are safe. I checked them into a hospital. Which one? I think it's best you don't know. I can't have you going there and risk someone following you. You'll just have to trust me for the time being. I can do that. How's he doing though? Balancing on a knife's edge at the moment. The next week or so will determine which way he falls. Right.
だが、もしこの絵の男が犯人だとして、どうやって沖縄と東京の移動を？
中原が撃たれたのは昨日の4時過ぎ。
4 o'clock.
大悟が撃たれた時間が6時半頃。差し引いて2時間半。
Almost impossible.
沖縄東京間は飛行機でもそれくらい時間がかかる。
Yeah.
どうやったって空港から搭乗会に来る時間はないんだが。
これは
停電か。
For the whole city? Or just this building?
変だな。カムロ町の明かりはついてるみたいだ。
That answers that. Oh boy. We're gonna shoot. Do they really think they killed him? Or is it just a warning? What, they did kill him?
柏木さん。柏木さん。
桐生。この男と繋がってるやつを探し出せ。
繋がってる。
It has to be.
多分そいつは沖縄のリゾート開発の裏で利権を狙ってる。
That's what it looks like.
そいつは登場会に。
登場会内部の人間ですか？
そいつを探し出せ。いいな。
はい。
Of course. No, Kashiwagi-san.
柏木さん。柏木さん。
No. Oh damn. It's a lot of people. I'd take a drawing if I were Kiryu. Smart.